How to change profile picture on Facebook. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile picture icon given at the top left. Once you're in the profile page, now click on this camera icon to change your profile picture. With that, different picture options will appear. You can select it from the camera roll, suggested photos. Like you're scrolling down, you're gonna get more option. Select the option of your choice. Then select the picture. Now you can click on this option of edit. Now from here you are able to adjust the picture. Likewise, add sticker, text or draw. Then you can click on next. Here you can type in the caption, click on save. With that, your profile picture will be updated. So this way you can easily change Facebook profile picture. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.